Assalamu alaikum friend. I'm here to Deer Upper. In the way I saw a car lift. What a car lift. So I tried see my friend this car lift which use people for the as a bridge. So you people are saying that this is the bridge, car bridge. Natural technology. This is a natural technology for the in Upper Deer and river Kabul Swat Darya. Da kam sinde das
Panchkoda.
this is this called Panchkoda. So the people are coming here and sit in the very beautiful chairlift. My friend, this is a beautiful place near Themargara, and on this river Panchkoda, there are many bridges, but the local people they are using this chairlift for enjoyment. So they enjoy this chairlift. One person or two persons sitting there in this chairlift. And it is a beautiful car lift. Especially for Kerala. What a beautiful scene. So my friend, uh, I'm here on the way to Upper Dir, and in the way near Temergara, car lift which I saw. So I decided to also see this chairlift. My friend, what a technology, and very deep technology. You can see the beautiful scene. This is a car lift. The lift is coming. Chair lift is coming. But this is a car lift. Chair lift. They are in the way. Huh? Picking passenger.
Raila? Oh. They can spin cut there. How much are our numbers? Come here. I'm a shy.
Andariya Panchpora. This also used for animal like sheep and goat.